morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some questions related to polynomial. Question 1 is, what is the coefficient of x in the expression 5x square plus 3x minus 2? In this question, we have to tell the coefficient of x. For this, firstly, we will find the term which contain x. The term is 3x. Now, we will tell the coefficient of x. Coefficient is the numerical value of a variable. Here, numerical value is plus 3. So, coefficient of x will be 3. Question 2. How many terms are there in the expression 5x square minus 2x plus 1? We have to tell the number of terms. Terms are separated by plus and minus. So, in this expression, it's first term, this is second term, and plus 1 is third term. So, number of terms are 3. Question 3. Classify into monomial, binomial and trinomial. There are some parts in which we have to tell which expression is monomial, which is binomial and which is trinomial. Monomial. In monomial, we have only one term. Binomial. In binomial, expression has two terms. And trinomial. Tri means 3. So, expression will contain 3 terms. Part A is 4y minus 7z. Here, there are two terms. The first one is 4y and second is minus, that is 7z. It contains two terms, so it is binomial. Part B is y square. Y square is only single term, so it is monomial. Next part is x plus y minus xy. Here we will look for the terms. Number of terms are 3. X, y, xy. It contains 3 terms, so it is trinomial. Part D contains 100. 100 is a constant value, but it is a single term. Numerical value is also a term. 100 is a single term, so it is monomial. Part E, AB minus A minus B. It contains 3 terms. First is AB, second is A and third is B. It contains 3 terms. It is trinomial. The next part is 1 plus x square. Again, there are 3 terms. So, it is trinomial. The next question is, classify into like terms and unlike terms. Like terms. In like terms, mathematical values can be different, but English alphabets means variables should be same. Part A is 7x, minus 2x. Here, both contain same variable x. So, these are like terms. Part B is 6xy, 7x square y. Here we will see 6xy. It contains xy. In the second, it contains x square y. So, x and x square are not same. These are unlike terms. Part C contains 4a, 4b. Here numerical value are same, but when we check for like or unlike terms, we will see only variables. Here variables are different, so terms are unlike. The next part is 3x, 5. In 3x, 5, first contain a variable x, but in second part there is no variable, so these terms are unlike. Part E, it contains two values 15, 20. Both values are different. Both are constant value. There is no any variable, but both values, numerical value are different, but they do not contain any variable. So these are constant terms, and constant terms are like terms. The last part of this question is 3ab square, 9ab square c. In this statement, it contains variable ab square c, and in the second part also it contains ab square c. So terms are like. The next question is find the coefficient of x square. Now we have to find the coefficient of x square. Coefficient are numerical value of variable. The first part is 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here we have to find the coefficient of x square. So firstly we will look for x square, and in the front of x square numerical value will be 1, and we have to tell the coefficient, that will be -1. In part B, pi by 2 x square plus x. Again we have to tell the coefficient of x square. Here x square contains the value pi by 2. It will be the coefficient of x square. The next part is root 2x minus 1. Again we have to tell the coefficient of x square. But in this statement, there is no any term that is containing x square, because here the variable x is present but x square is not available. So coefficient will be 0. The last part of this question is 2 plus x square plus x. And we have to tell the coefficient of x square. So firstly we will look for the term x square. Then we will see the numerical coefficient of x square. There is no coefficient available, that will be 1. So coefficient of x square will be 1. Thank you.